My oh my, look at what rolled into the studio, my friends. This is my first Hobao truck. The company took over from OFNA, and now they are doing the Hyper series. Check it out. This is the new Hyper MT Sport Plus. It's an electric truck. They also have a nitro version of it. This is going to be a powerhouse. It's got a sensorless 2000 kV motor on it, also with 150 amp ESC. And I figured the best thing we could do is just get it here, slap a couple of batteries in it. I'm going to be using 2S LiPO batteries today, dual actually, so I'll have a total of 4S power. Let's have a look on the inside. Gotta get these body clips out one-handed. Can he do it? Yes, he can. There we go. Dun 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 dun. Look at this. Boom. First thing I notice, metal spur gear. Awesome. That means I won't be stripping out a plastic one today when I put in two 2S LiPO batteries, which is a total of 4S running through this truck. I could up the amperage. I don't really want to right now. 4S will be plenty to put this truck to the test. Now, Hobao did send this truck to me to put on the show for you guys to see. So I think the most adequate way for me to test a truck like this is to build a big dirt jump and send it high into the sky. Send this blue beauty home. I'm going to use my remote task setup from TORC Robotics. It is a full-scale skid steer, and yes, I can ride on the inside of it. I do have many videos on this already, but it is RC Adventures, so I am going to remotely operate it. Let's do it.
Nice. Graphics look good. So I'm 5'10" and the camera is at 4 feet. It's about 5.5 feet high.
Alright, here's a pretty good view. You're on top of my driver's stand about 20 feet. You're about 15 feet above the jump, which will give you an idea, but it's very hard to get perspective with this camera. All right, the Hyper MT Electric Sport Plus. I'm gonna move you to the end of the runway here, so hopefully you guys will get a decent view. Let's go see what's wrong. Oh, look at this. What a beautiful sight though. This truck took a beating. It did, over and over. I'm gonna try and show every single jump I did. Look at this, I'm not seeing anything broken. Oh my God, I don't think it's broken. Look at this, I think the kingpin came out. Look at, like, cause it's just held in by a kingpin and a couple of screws to hold the pin in on either side. Is anything busted? I don't think so. Look at this, it's gonna be a simple fix and a repair. I think. I'm gonna have to investigate it more, but guys, I don't think that's broken at all. Holy cow. And I was jumping it super far. I know you guys can't see the distance just because of the film lens, but I'm super stoked. That truck was awesome. I don't even know what to say. I expected to come over and see shattered plastic, but it is very warm out. It's about 25 degrees Celsius today, not like overly scorching hot, but my whole reference to heat is saying there's no cold, so everything's very flexible right now. That's why you can fly so high in the sky. A lot of people will ask me, how do you control the truck in the air? Like, how do you keep the nose coming forward or land it flat? You know, why are you landing it flat? Build a ramp, I know, but out here on the prairies, you know, you tend to land it flat sometimes, and I do that by throttle and brake control on the radio. If the tires are spinning, right, if you're taking off at a jump, you just let go of the gas, and if your nose starts to come up in the air, tap the brake. It'll bring that nose down. Give it some practice. This is something that needs a little bit of practice. You guys can check out more videos. There's lots of tutorials on how to do that kind of thing. Not necessarily on my channel, but on others. So anyway, guys, if you're inspired to get outside and have some fun with the radio control hobby, or if you enjoyed today's video, please go ahead and give us a like click. That is always appreciated. And maybe we've even earned your subscription. And heck, if you are a subscriber already, you already know that we've got really cool videos, so I hope to see you guys in the next episode of RC Adventures. Now get outside and have some fun with RC. Bye!